You got a goober on your face. Just a little bit. Oh, it's okay. We'll clean it. There you go.
Oh, Miss Dark Hair.
Well, there you go. So what do you think her name is?
Hey.
Can you look up at your daddy? Look up here. Huh? Yeah.
How pretty you are.
You want to see my hair?
Say, look. You think I'm Sawyer? And then you take off the cap.
And then it's dark. You look like you got fuzzies up here. Yeah. You're like Aunt Brandy and your mommy.
You'd like a little bit more light. Is there light on this?
Yeah, the heater. Oh, bless you. Oh, no. Say, oh, no. You still hungry? Is that the problem? Oh! Hey, look how long my fingernail beds are, Daddy. I got the longest fingernails and longest fingers. Check out my toes. Check how long these suckers are. They had to go sideways. Had to go sideways on the paper.
You're just gonna be tall like your sister.
You're gonna be tall and skinny with no fat, huh? I lost your hat. No?
Okay.
Oh.
Sorry.
You still hungry? Can you say over and out, Dad? I'm gonna try to feed you again.
Alright.
Take a night. Oh yeah, bye.
Yeah, your present. Open it. That's not it. Look what's in there. Look what's in here. Push right here.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
That's yours. She got it for you. Here. Push the button again.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your pain?
Push it again. He's deflating. Go ahead, push it again.
I will scan you now.
Push it.
Are you satisfied with your care?
My turn?
Excuse me, while I let out some air.
Is that your baby sister in there? Is that Melanie? Maybe.
That's big.
Was that Baymax?
That's me.
When he's letting his air out? Yeah.
Tadashi is here.
There's a lot of them.
Hello, I am Baymax,
Is she
your
sleeping?
personal healthcare companion.
She sleeping? Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, we have to fix her car seat because it's not safe for the baby.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how
How
would
do
you
you
rate
rate
your
your
pain?
That's mine.
It is yours. Your baby sister brought it for her. Isn't that nice of her?
It's your daddy.
My turn.
What is
Okay. What's he doing?
it? Squeeze. He's squeezing.
Where do you squeeze him at? Right here?
Right there.
I will scan you now.
That's mine.
Yep.
So everything's okay?
Are you satisfied with your care? Excuse me, while I let out some
She
air.
had a bad morning. She had a lot of music, and then she spun it all up, and now it's like she's still really confused.
Tadashi is here.
I need that.
Is that yours?
Hello,
You say thank you to your sister? You say thank
personal
you?
healthcare companion.
Tell her thank you.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate your pain?
She came here to see you. Oh, you think she wants that? She's sleeping. She's sleeping. Maybe when she wakes up.
I will scan you.
Did you miss us? Did you miss me?
Are you satisfied with your care?
Every other minute or so.
Here.
Yeah. Do you like him? He's pretty funny, isn't he?
Yes.
No, she's up here. Remember, his button's up here.
Excuse me while I let out some air.
He's on there.
Who's in there? That's May. You say hi to May?
Yes.
Did you say hi to May?
Hey.
Hey, that's your baby sister, you know.
Okay.
Is that soft?
Tadashi is here.
What's here?
Tadashi's here? Yeah. Oh, she's trying to wake up for you.
I see.
Yeah, she's in her seat.
Hello, I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
Like movie.
It's your movie.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate
It's
your pain?
Benny.
Yeah. Yeah, she's still in there. She's gonna stay here. Is that okay?
Yes.
She's letting the air out because he's stuck in the window. Remember?
I will scan you now.
Scan complete.
See me. There's one.
Yeah.
Are you satisfied with your care?
Did you guys eat? She did.
They
What did you
just I just cooked.
I tested
What?
the roast.
I just
Oh,
cooked.
did you put a roast?
Blocks.
I do have a roast, but I haven't made anything else because I didn't know when you were going to be here.
Well, my phone was in my car because we sat there for another hour after that.
It's you. I got you.
Oh, careful! Don't squish her too hard. Be gentle.
I got you.
You love her. I know.
I got you.
She had macaroni and cheese and green beans and oranges
Oh, yes.
and a popsicle.
This is the window. This is the window.